Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and healthy recipe. Zucchini boats filled with ground beef that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing zucchini boats, these are my ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, tomato bouillon, garlic powder, mozzarella cheese, corn, lean ground beef, tomato, red onion, 2 jalapeños optionals, and of course our zucchinis. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and healthy homemade zucchini boats. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the zucchinis. I have 3 zucchinis. I am going to remove the edges and I am going to remove the seeds. Yes, but I'm not going to throw them away. I am going to use the seeds too when I start preparing the filling for the zucchini boats. Look at this. This really takes time, but let me tell you, this is a very healthy and delicious recipe that I am sure your family is going to love. Once you have all your zucchinis empty just like this, let's go to the stove. On the stove, I have a pan with boiling water. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and I am going to add my zucchinis for just 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. You want to make sure that they are al dente. Lay them down on some napkins and they are ready. They're nice and hot and let's put them aside. Now I'm going to continue with the veggies. I have half an onion, a red onion. I am going to dice 2 tomatoes that I'm going to dice in small little pieces, 2 jalapeños that I am going to remove the seeds and the vein with a spoon, making sure that it doesn't come out spicy at all. Let me tell you, this is optional. You know I love spicy food, but these jalapeños are not spicy at all. Once you have all your veggies ready, this is what we removed from the zucchini. I am going to slice away, chop it really good, and incorporate it with the rest of the ingredients. I have some corn here, of course, fresh corn that I sliced down and they're still big pieces. And here on the stove, I am going to add my ground beef. I didn't add any oils, any water. I want the ground beef to release its own juices and oils. Here I'm adding half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of tomato bouillon. I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes in high heat. And now that it's nice and crispy, I am ready to add all the veggies. I'm going to add the veggies, cook it for another 5 minutes. And then let me tell you, this is going to be ready and delicious to fill and stuff your zucchini boats. Here, I'm just pulling apart the corn, and I'm going to add everything into the ground beef mixture. Here, cook it until you see the liquid that is bubbling, that the tomato has released all those amazing juices. And this is going to take about 5 minutes. But let me tell you, this filling is so delicious, so amazing. And with the seeds of the zucchini that's releasing the juices, everything is really moist and amazing. Look at this. Once you see it boiling, then you're ready to turn off the stove and start adding this mixture into your zucchinis. In another pan, I'm adding all my zucchini boats. I am ready to fill them to the top. being very generous with the filling. And of course, we're going to top it with mozzarella cheese, any kind of cheese you have at home. I am sure your family is going to love these boats of zucchini filled with the ground beef mixture and of course, topped off with cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Once you add the cheese, be very generous with your cheese because we're going to take it back to the stove and we're going to cover it and then cook until the cheese has dissolved completely. We're going to cover it. This is going to ensure that all the cheese is going to get gooey. It's going to melt away right on the top of the ground beef. Turn it on to high. Leave it there for just a couple minutes until you start seeing the cheese melting on top of the ground beef and the zucchini. Once you have this, plate it. I am ready for the plate of the presentation. I am ready to enjoy this amazing zucchini boats. Look at this. The texture, it's al dente of the zucchini. The filling has so much flavor and juices. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. And I am sure you're going to love this recipe. Like, subscribe, and share so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. Look at this. This looks amazing. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. Show you how I'm going to enjoy these amazing zucchini boats. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. My friends, you loved this amazing zucchini bowls filled with ground beef. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing zucchini bowls. They came out amazing. See you soon. Bye-bye.